All right, room tour. We are in an interesting room. It lays out different from any room that we've ever been in because you're looking in from the front door and you've got coming in, there's a lot of space here. Actually, this room, I didn't know it when I picked it, but this is actually a really big room. You got a little desk with a chair. You got the TV. You've got the stand. Of course, this stand gonna have your safe and your fridge. Drawers all the way down. We have a chair and a little table and a little nook back there where the luggage can go. You got a little shelf by the bed. It's kind of dark, so I don't know if you can see it. Little lights. I don't see any USB stuff over by the bed. I know people.
There's not USBs on the phone either.
So anyway, got a bed. We got another little nightstand with a telephone. We have a closet. Looks like closet's plenty big. There is a lot of hangers. And let's see, coming back towards the door going out, got a big full-length mirror. Wow, who is that good-looking guy right there? Check out that shirt. Okay, bathroom. Oh, by the way, old-fashioned thermostat. There's no numbers. You just crank it down to as far as it'll go, and you leave it. And in case you're wondering, there's no switch that you have to put your key in to make the lights work. This is an older ship, and it doesn't have all of that stuff. Bathroom. Actually, a pretty big bathroom. Probably one of the bigger bathrooms that I've ever seen. You come in, you got plenty of storage. You put all kinds of stuff in here. A sink. We've got the toilet. Here, check this out. You got to listen to this. Cruise ship toilet sound. That's pretty awesome. Shower. The shower is it's not a bad size. It's got a bar for you to put your leg on so you can shave. Got a grab bar. Got the gel wash. All that kind of stuff. That looks like a shower head that will pull out. Let's find out. Let's see. Oh, nope. Nope, it's not. I don't want to pull that out. I might break it. I don't see a clothesline thingy. That's a big concern of people. However, you can buy them on Amazon. Plug them in wherever the heck you want to. There's some plugs up there. I don't know what they're for, but they're up there. Probably the littlest, that's the littlest drawer I've ever seen. Wow, teeny drawer. Let's see. Out of the bathroom now.
For those of you wondering, they do have separate shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. A lot of cruise ships will do just a combination of body wash and shampoo, or sorry, conditioner and shampoo together and just a body wash. They actually do have shampoo, conditioner in the separate body wash.
But anyway, okay, so I've spun around this room 2 or 3 times, and you can cover it pretty quick. And what's up? There's that guy again. Look at that. Man, I look good in blue. Okay, that's it. We'll show some stuff around the ship. I mean, it's a cruise ship. It's an older cruise ship. It's a nice cruise ship, but hey, it's all right. Our room is nice. It's probably seems like one of the bigger rooms we've had. So, okay. Hope you enjoyed that. This is again Celebrity Eclipse, and we'll see you again. Adios.